Hello, my dear children. Today I am bringing a grammar lesson, and this is very important for you. This is the topic for today, present perfect tense. Before moving to the topic, we have to learn what the present perfect tense means and in which occasion we use this tense. So, in this slide, I have given you an introduction. The present perfect tense expresses a present action that began in the past and is now completed in the present. Here we are talking about why present perfect tense is used and in which occasion we have to use this tense. Usually, we can use this tense to talk about the action that has began in the past and now it is completed. That means in the present it is completed. කිසියම් ක්‍රියාවක් අතීත කාලයේදී පටන් අරගෙන වර්තමානය වන විට එය කරලා අවසන් දෙයක් කතා කරන්න අපි භාවිතා කරනවා present perfect tense එක. In simply we can say we can use this tense to talk about something that has begun in the past. කිසියම් දෙයක් කරලා තියෙනවා කියලා භාවිතා කරන්නේ අපි present perfect tense එකේ. The present perfect tense is used to describe an action or situation. කිසියම් ක්‍රියාවක් or අවස්ථාවක් that started in the past and continues in the present. අතීතයේ කාලයේදී පටන් අරන් තියෙනවා වර්තමානය වෙන විටත් ඒක ඒ විදිහටම පවත්වාගෙන යන්න පුළුවන්. continue කරගෙන යන්න පුළුවන්. An action performed during a period that has not yet finished. මේ වන විටත් ඒක අවසන් නැතිව පවතින ක්‍රියාවක්. An action. A repeated action in an unspecified period between the past and now. වර්තමානයේ සහ අතීතය අතර කාල සීමාවකදී නැවත නැවත සිදුවුණු ක්‍රියාවක් ගැන කතා කරන්නත් අපි present perfect tense එක භාවිතා කරනවා. අපි හැමෝම එදිනෙදා කතා කරනකොට කිසියම් අවස්ථාවන් වලදී අපි කියනවා කිසියම් දෙයක් කරලා තියෙනවා කියලා. අන්න ඒ වගේ අවස්ථා ලියන්න හෝ ඉංග්‍රීසි භාෂාවෙන් කතා කරන්න අපිට මේ ටෙන්ස් එක ප්‍රයෝජනවත් වෙනවා. When we learn next slides, you can get the idea about this tense and the structure and the examples also. In this tense, we have to talk about three forms: positive form, negative form, question or interrogative form. So, first we have to learn positive form, and this is the structure. First, you have to write the subject, then has or have, then verb. Verb means past participle, then rest. Keep in your mind, this structure is very important. So, if you are writing a sentence in present perfect tense, you have to use this form. Here, I have given you an example for positive form. They have finished the race. They have finished the race. Now we are going to categorize these words according to the structure. First, they means subject. Next, we have to use has or have. Then, past participle of the verb. At last, we have to write the rest of the sentence. Here, I have given you an extra idea. You have to use has if the subject is singular. You have to use have if the subject is plural. So here they means plural noun, so we have to use have. That's why we have taken have. There are some more examples related to positive form. Saheli has started her homework. Saheli homework කරන්න පටන් අරගෙන තියෙනවා. They have fixed the broken window. ඔවුන් කැඩුණු ජනේලය ඔවුන් නැත්නම් බිඳුණු ජනේලය ෆික්ස් කරලා තියෙනවා. ඒ කියන්නේ කිසියම් ක්‍රියාපදයක් මේ වන විට කරලා තියෙනවා කියලා කියන්න තමයි අපි present perfect tense එක use කරන්නේ. I have made you a cup of coffee. You have listened to Madonna in the concert. Ravi has written a letter to his pen friend. All of these examples are related to positive form. Now it's time to talk about negative form. Same structure, but we have to insert not into the structure because this is the negative form. මේක negative form එක නිසා තමයි අපිට not කියන word එක මෙතෙන්ට insert කරන්න ඕනේ. Structure එක positive form එක වගේම තමයි not කියන word එක විතරයි මෙතෙන්ට add වෙන්නේ. Subject has or have, not, verb means past participle, rest. This is the example for negative form. She has not watered the plants because she is a singular noun. I have taken has. She means here subject, then has or have, not. Watered is the past participle of the verb. The plants is the rest. These are the examples for negative form. I have not already eaten my cookies. Already means දැනටමත්. They have not worked in the paddy field. We have not watched that film. Mr. Pereira has not bought a new car. My sister has not prepared the dessert for us. Here, all these sentences are related to the negative form structure. Look at this last one, my sister. That is the subject. As this is a singular noun, we have selected has, then not. This is the past participle, prepared. The dessert for us is the rest. This is the last form. question form, or else we can call it interrogative form. Both of these names are same. If it is a question form, we have to use has or have first, then the subject, then the verb or means past participle, rest. Here, this is the example. Have you finished your homework? Here, first we have selected has or have. As this is a plural noun, we have taken have. This is subject. This is the past participle. And this is the rest. Here, I have given you how we have to answer here. මෙතන මම දීලා තියෙන්නේ present perfect tense එකෙන් ඔයාලගෙන් ප්‍රශ්නයක් ඇහුවම අපි කොහොමද ඒකට answer එක දෙන්නේ කියලා. So here, if it is the yes answer, we have to tell yes, I have. If it is not, we have to say no, I haven't. Here, I is used because the question asks from you. මෙතන ප්‍රශ්නය අහන්නේ ඔයාගෙන්. ඔබ. ඒක නිසා තමයි මෙතෙන්ට I කියලා දැම්මේ. Then the answer should be yours. Answer එක එතකොට එන්න ඕනේ ඔයාගේ. එතකොට කියන්න ඕනේ ඔව් මම කරලා තියෙන්නේ. So we can say yes, I have. නෑ මම කරලා නෑ කියන්න තමයි no, I haven't කියලා දාලා තියෙන්නේ. Here, if the subject is father, how can you answer? මෙතන subject එක father කියලා තිබ්බනම් we have to replace yes, he has. He has. No, he hasn't. answer එක ලියනකොට මෙතන I කියන තැන වෙනුවට replace වෙන noun එක වෙනස් වෙනවා question එකට අනුව. These are some more examples. Have you read this book? Then how can you answer? ඔයා මේ පොත කියවලද තියෙන්නේ? Yes, I have. එහෙමත් නැත්නම් no, I haven't. Has Piyumi visited England? පියුමි ඉංග්ලන්ඩ් ගිහිල්ලා තියෙනවද? එතකොට ඔව් ඇය ගිහින් තියෙනවා. Yes, she has. නැත්නම් no, she hasn't. Has Anthony played basketball? Have you been to this place before? Has mother prepared breakfast? Now you have learned 3 forms in present perfect tense: positive form, negative form, question form. So you have to complete this activity in your grammar book. Put the verbs into the correct form. So you have to complete these blanks according to the example. First one, I. Within brackets, you are given not and work. So you have to write this in negative form. I have not worked today. Second one, we. You are given by. So you have to write this in positive form. If it is a positive form sentence, you have to use positive form structure. If it is a negative form sentence, you have to use negative form structure. If it is a question, you have to use question form structure. Now it's time to do our pupils book activities. So take out your pupils book, turn to page number 104, activity 9, the present perfect tense. There is a grid. Notice how the present perfect tense is used. Here, you are given some sentences, but now so far we have learned the structure, so this is very easy because now you know the structure. First one, it is a positive form sentence. I have finished my work. Next side, Surani has read that novel. Second one, have you brought your passport? It is a question form question. Next one, has she taken her medicine? Next one, we have not or haven't eaten dragon fruit before. That is a negative form sentence. Next one, he hasn't or has not ridden a motorbike before. Last one, have they not or haven't they been to Jaffna? Next one, has he not or hasn't he finished packing? Right. මෙතන සමරි එකක් විදියට positive form, negative form, question form තුනෙන්ම ඔයාලට sentences දීලා තියෙනවා. So please study this table. Now activity 10. Ask and answer these questions with your friend. So you have to make questions using these phrases. මේ දීලා තියෙන phrases භාවිතා කරලා questions හදන්න තියෙන්නේ. And then you have to write the answer also. So first put the number and write the question, then write your own answer. Numbers දාලා question එක ලියන්න. ලියලා ඔයාගේ answer එක එතනින්ම ලියන්න. Activity 11, construct sentences. So there is a table. ඔයාලට තියෙන්නේ මෙතන positive form එකෙන් sentences හදන්න ඕනේ, negative form එකෙන් හදන්න ඕනේ, question form එකෙන් හදන්න ඕනේ, negative question form එකෙන් හදන්න ඕනේ. All these activities you have to do in your grammar book. Now this is the end of our lesson today. Thank you children. Goodbye.